Men's Expert Hydra Energetic Charcoal Cream Cleanser helps provide skin with a magnetic clean. This daily face wash for men helps clean skin by capturing all kinds of dirt. The charcoal face cleanser can address 5 problems caused by daily city grime: oily skin, surface dirt, sticky feel, clogged pores, and dullness. The charcoal face cleanser formula captures dirt like a magnet, so that skin can appear fresh and healthy looking. Begin your day with fresh, clean skin and end it just the same with the help of this face wash for men that is formulated with charcoal. Men's charcoal face cleanser helps fight city grime, helps capture dirt, pollution, excess oils and impurities like a magnet, helps promote fresh skin face wash for men that helps fight oily skin and shininess. Use this charcoal face wash twice daily on a wet face and gently massage, concentrating on forehead, nose and chin. Rinse thoroughly. Use daily, in the morning and at night, for perfectly cleansed skin. Avoid the eye area. In case of contact with the eyes, rinse immediately. Avoid the eye contour area. In case of contact with the eyes, rinse immediately. Men's facial cleanser infused with charcoal that helps fight the 5 problems caused by daily city grime, including oily skin, shininess, dirt, sticky touch, dullness and clogged pores. Face wash formula captures dirt, pollution, impurities and excess oils, leaving skin fresh and looking healthy. The black texture of the face wash turns into a rich white foam for a new sensation of face cleansing. For best results, apply face wash twice daily on wet face and gently massage, concentrating on forehead, nose and chin. Suitable for all skin types. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.